Good day viewers, welcome to Ajadi Math class. Please, before we proceed, kindly click on the subscription button. Subscribe please. Now today we want to make Q subject of the formula from this equation, and for us to do that we have to move this to the left hand side first. So here we have P minus 1. If 1 is coming to this side, it turns to minus sign, okay, equals M into bracket X plus Q all over S. Okay, the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. So here we have S into bracket P minus 1 equals, you can expand this, MX plus MQ. Okay, now after that you can bring out your bracket here, open your bracket. We have SP minus X equals MX plus MQ. We are making Q subject of the formula. Then you can move this to the left hand side. Here we have SP minus MX minus X. So this coming to this side comes to negative equals MQ. So making Q subject of the formula, make Q the subject of the formula by dividing through by the coefficient of Q, which is M. Finally, our Q equals SP minus MX minus S all over M. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you.